come. Let's study. Yes, just now you saw I was watching TV. Oh my God, how much fighting they were doing. Shoom. Oh, I got my hand. Oh, I got hurt. Oh my God, you have also got hurt. Don't hit me. No. No. Should we hit each other? Dishoom. Should we do that? No. We should not hit each other. We should be friends. We should love each other. We should be happy. And we should fly like a bird. Yes, we should fly like a bird. We should be very happy. Yes or no? Yes. Fighting and angry and should we do that? No, we should not do it. So that is why I didn't like the TV. I just switched off. Oh my, such bad program, bad people, fighting. No. That is not good. So let's come up to our third chapter in our book Learn to Lead. Pause, think and win. Pause means stop. That means when you will stop looking, I stopped the TV. That means now I have paused. Now I am thinking. You also think? You are thinking? Yes, I can see you are thinking a little. What are you thinking, my little one? Okay, you are thinking that today mummy is making chola bhatura. मुझे भी खुशबू आ रही है, मुझे भी खाना है, मैं आ जाऊं, खाने आ जाऊं. Okay, jokes apart. Yes, so first I stopped the TV, then I started thinking that why people are fighting. Should we fight or should we not fight? So I understood that no, we should not fight. And if we will not fight, then we all will be friends. We all will have the power. So what will happen? We will win. Yes. Hey. So we all will win. Isn't it? So here, this is the topic of our chapter. Pause, think and win. You also do with me? Pause. Say, quickly say. Pause, think, do it again. Think, once more. Think and win. You also do? No, one more time. Win. Okay, first with one hand, then with two hands. Win. And then win. Yes. And this also, thumbs up also. Yes. Correct? So, what are we doing? We are pausing. We are thinking and we are willing. Okay? So this we will study in this lesson. Look at the image below. Write what you feel. Can you see the image in your book? Two people are fighting. Why? Because the cars have hit each other. Both the cars have collided. They have hit. And the two children are fighting. Yes, the two, not children we can say. The two men. Okay. Now you have to write something in the boxes. In the boxes, what you can write? One thing you can write bad people. Second, you can write should not fight. Third, you can write we should ask sorry or pardon each other. And fourth, we can write here that try to be friends. Maintain friendship. Yes? So you can write these things in the boxes. Now let's go on. Have you ever fought with your sibling or classmate over something? Sibling means brother, sister, anybody. थोड़ी तो कर रही है लड़ाई. क्लास फ्रेंड से भी करी थी. वो परसों करी थी ना, भैया से करी थी थोड़ी सी. और वो दीदी भी मुझे आइसक्रीम नहीं दे रही थी, इसलिए मैंने लड़ाई करी, है ना. मैंने दीदी की पेंसिल तोड़ दी? नहीं, पेंसिल नहीं तोड़ी थी। फिर क्या किया था? पेज फाड़ा था। अच्छा, ओके, बट देन सॉरी बोला था? सॉरी तो बोलना पड़ता है। तुमने बोला था? वेरी गुड। आपने नहीं बोला? डजंट मैटर। अब when you fight या अगर आपको गुस्सा आता है तो what you will do? You will ask sorry. ठीक है? सॉरी बोलोगे तो what will happen? दीदी और भैया और your friend, anybody will feel that अच्छा, this little baby, this cute boy or this very प्यारी सी cutie pie girl is feeling sorry for her mistake, and then everyone will love you. ठीक है? How soon did you patch up? जब लड़ाई हो जाती है तो जल्दी से दोस्ती भी तो हो जाती है। सॉरी बोलते हैं, अदरवाइज चॉकलेट खाते हैं। मम्मा अगर गुस्सा हो जाती है, आपसे लड़ाई कर लेती है, फिर मम्मा क्या कहती है? ओके चलो बेबी, एक चॉकलेट, देन वी बिकम फ्रेंड्स। यस, so that is the spirit. So even if by mistake we are fighting, but then we should patch up. We cannot always avoid arguments and disagreements. Arguments means बहस करना। मुझे तो यही चाहिए, नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए, नहीं मुझे भी ये चाहिए। Yes, or disagreements. I don't like this. I like this very much. No, that one is not good. No, it's very nice. This one is good. Not at all good. Very bad. You know, that's a disagreement of thoughts and of views. I like something, you don't like something. And that ends in a... What is this? What is this? Fight. That ends in a fight. We cannot always have our way and make everybody agree to our opinions. Now, every time it will not happen that what I am saying is always correct and what everyone is saying is always wrong. Sometimes even we are wrong. But for that, we should understand and we should realize that yes, even I can be wrong. Let me listen to others. Life would become dull then. But sometimes our quarrels get out of hand and adults have to step in. What happens? Okay, sometimes you and your brother or your sister or whatever or your friend are fighting and after some time you patch up. चलो ठीक है, sorry, आप नहीं लड़ेंगे. Okay, fine. But sometimes what happens? You fight and then तो वो मारा and मैं नाराज हो गया, मैं कुत्ता हो गया and then you run away. मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा and then you lock yourself in a room. That is bad. And then mummy will come, papa will come, uncle, auntie, dada, dadi. अले मेरा प्यारा बेटा लड़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो? They speak like this now, or sometimes they even scold you. Yes, it happens. Sometimes the fight becomes quite natural due to some misunderstandings. Always remember that whenever there is a fight, there is certain type of misunderstanding. I am not able to understand you, you are not able to understand me. Then only the fight starts. It can be between friends, between brothers, sisters, between parents, between grandparents, between parent and grandparent. It can be anywhere. But please remember, my dear children, fight doesn't mean that the person is very bad. No. It is all depending on the circumstances. Many times certain things happen and we are not able to understand. We create certain misunderstandings in our mind. So again, according to our topic, if we are wanting to fight with someone, if we feel like fighting with someone, we should stop. Pause. Then what we should do? We should think. What am I doing? Is it right? Should I beat my brother? Should I scold my sister? Should I hit my friend? They did not listen to me. I should do it. Okay. No, but I should not do now. It is bad habit. Mummy always says not to beat anyone. Then what to do? Okay, I will not fight. I will say sorry and I will tell him also. But he also did bad to me, and then he should also say sorry to me. No, only me. No, I will say sorry, Pakka. But he will also say sorry. Na? He also hit me so bad. My hand is paining. He should also say sorry. Okay, he will also say sorry, and I will also say sorry. And if both will say sorry, then we will be friends. So we will win. So stop, pause, think, win. Okay? How can we control such situations? Can we find better ways to express our disagreements with people? So we have to think that in what way we can stop these fights, these petty fights, small fights, and other than that, we should share our thoughts and our views with each other. I feel that sharing is a very good way to stop these fights. Suppose I don't like anything and the other person is saying something bad and then a fight starts. I should go and share my feelings with that person. Why I did not do this? What happened? What was my problem? What difficulty I was facing because of which this all happened? If I go and explain all this, then what will happen? My friend or my brother, sister will understand me and maybe the fight does not start. Maybe the other person says, okay, fine, you should have told me earlier now. Okay, doesn't matter. Chalo, forget it. We are friends again and now you please do the work and give it to me after a few days. Ho gaya. Solve ho gaya problem. So, please be very careful. Do not try to fight the moment you do not feel anything good or you do not feel that nothing or something has been done not according to your wish. Every time though your wish will not move, other people also are there. They will also want to have their things in their views or according to their wish. So we have to be very careful for that. Okay? So now let's move on to a very beautiful loving story. It's a very sweet story, wonderful story. Anna, let's move to that story. Tim was a good man. The name of our hero is Tim. Tim was a good man. His neighbors liked his gentle and helpful nature. So Tim was a very gentle man. He was a very helpful man. Namaste, how are you? Please come, please sit. Let me help you. So not like this. A very helpful man, generous, kind, humble, very nice. Tim had a dog, Jimmy, whom he loved dearly. And Tim had a dog, a puppy, beautiful, wow. Puppies are so sweet, dogs are so cute. And the name of the dog was Jimmy. Jimmy was a very energetic and fun-loving dog. He loved to sneak up behind people and nip them at their heels. Something wrong. Kuch to gadbad hai. Kya gadbad hai? So what happened? The dog was very cute. Jimmy is the name now? He was very fun-loving to play, to run, to wag his tail and so many things. Dog was very wonderful, very energetic, full of energy. But one bad habit the dog had. What was that habit? He loved to sneak up behind people and nip them at their heels. What am I doing? I am trying to bite someone. So this was the habit of the dog. We don't bite. I was just doing little acting. I am not biting now. Why should I bite? You are lovely children. Yes, but the animals many times, generally when they are irritated, they bite. That means when they don't like anything or something is not being done, then they bite. But this Jimmy had a habit to quietly go behind someone and then bite at their heels. Nip means just to make a small scratch at their heels. Heels, you know, your toe heels. Though these nips were harmless, people would shout in fear. Some would jump in shock while others would fall over. Though he was a dog and dogs' bites are very strong and very dangerous, then you have to go to the doctor, get so many injections done and everything. This nip, what he was biting, was not very harmful. It was quite harmless. People did not get any problem with that. But still, you know, can you see some dog coming and hitting you a little bit? You feel, oh, you'll feel scared now? Yes, na? Even I feel very scared because of the dogs. Yes. So, because of that, people did not think that it will not harm me or dard nahi hoga or something. The moment the dog used to come near them, they used to shout, scream, run, or fall down. So this used to happen, and it was very, very difficult. All the people started getting worried, and they did not like this Jimmy coming and nipping at their heels. Soon, Tim's neighbors started complaining about Jimmy. Tim did not know what to do. He loved Jimmy but hated his habit of nipping people. Now, Tim was a very beautiful, very wonderful man, loving, gentle, kind, humble. So, all the people started complaining. Tim, you know, your Jimmy, hit me yesterday. Your Jimmy bite me, That day, I was going and Jimmy came and hit me very badly and I fell down. And then I got hurt. Even my shoe also got torn. He tore my shoe. And my pants were there and he nipped so badly. My pant has got a hole there. Yes, no, yesterday only few days back only I bought this new pant. And now my pant has become with a hole. How can I wear it now? See? And that day Jimmy came, I was wearing a beautiful dress and Jimmy came and Jimmy bite at me. And my dress, the lace of my dress now it got away and it was all spoiled. Please, I don't like this. No, we also don't like this. Everyone started complaining. And now Tim loved his Jimmy. He said, what to do with such a beautiful dog, such a lovely dog, but this is a very bad habit. What is to be done? Tim was also confused. What did he started doing? He started thinking. Finally, Tim bought a bell. So he had an idea. Jadoo. What was the idea? Ting, 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 ting. He bought a bell. He tied it round Jimmy's neck and patted him on the head. Now he did not want to scold his dog. So what did he do? Like we have studied now, no argument, no disagreement, no fighting. So he did not want to scold, but he found out a solution, a way. क्या करते हैं? He tied a bell on the neck of Timmy. He tied a bell of Jimmy. Yes, Jimmy thought Tim was happy with him because he had got him the bell as a present. Now Jimmy though was a dog only. He thought, okay, Tim is happy with me. That is why he has brought the bell. And so he has given me a present. So Tim got very nicely the bell in his neck and he started running everywhere. What will happen when Jimmy will run everywhere? Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. Yes? So every time the bell will ring. So what will happen when the bell will ring? People will understand, oh, Jimmy is coming. Oh, Jimmy is coming. Everybody will come to know. He was at his trick again, trying to nip people from behind. However, the jingling bells forewarned the people and he could not bite them anymore. So again he thought, chalo, I will run. I will go behind someone and I will bite. But this time what happened? Oh, what happened? Now the ting 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 came. People understood, oh, Jimmy is coming, run. And they used to go away. So was Jimmy able to bite anyone now? No. So everybody lived happily Tim was very happy, Jimmy was very happy that my Tim has given me a beautiful gift, and all the people were happy that now they can play with Jimmy, they can play with Tim, and Jimmy will not bite them. So first Tim paused, he thought, and then he won. So pause, think, and win. Isn't it? Yes. So this way the problem was also solved. Tim was also happy, Jimmy was also happy, and all the people were very happy. Yes, clap, clap, clap. You also clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You also clap. Okay, once more. Bus, last, and not every time. Mummy will get angry. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Maza aaya? Okay. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Next Saturday, again I will tell you another story. Okay?